So this is a 22 model YCF SM155, and here we've got the stock exhaust and stock muffler. So the stock exhaust is just all one size, and it's about 28mm diameter pipe all the way from start to finish. And then the muffler is about 200mm long-ish. The baffle on the inside's a bit bigger. It's actually loose. You can hear it in there. So I've pulled the other one apart on my son's bike, and the perf tube on the inside is loose, and that makes that rattling noise. So here I've got fitted the exhaust, racing exhaust from the YCF catalogue, and I've just got it sort of loosely fitted up, not totally tight. It is slightly different size to the stock one. So here is the same size, then it expands to about 32mm. Looking on the inside of here, I can't see, it looks like this pipe goes straight through the guts of this chamber. So that chamber might be for show, I don't know, unless there's perforation inside, not sure. And then it stays about that 32mm all the way through the muffler. And the muffler is longer than the other one, roughly 280mm long, so definitely longer. And it's got about a 32mm hole going through the middle. It is tight clearance wise, so here, I don't know, I might have to bend this tab down because it is pretty close. There's like a mil gap, and same on this side of this bracket here. It's pretty close as well. You can see it's pretty close to the frame. Just there, but clears it, no worries. The kit does come with a whole bunch of other bits and pieces, some bolts and nuts and brackets and stuff like that, and washers. Not all of it is used for this. I'm guessing it's just generic kit they give you for like maybe a dual exhaust or something like that. You need 3 springs, but it only came with 2, so I had a spare, and it comes with these other spacers and stuff, which are no good here. It also comes with this extra bracket, and I've used the original bolt, original spacer, put on some washers, so that bracket there, when it goes, bolts in properly, will be up like that. So the finish of it seems pretty decent. I haven't started up yet, obviously it's not totally fitted up. The spare spring I've got fitted there for that connection there, and then this is just held on by 2 springs as well, and they're pretty tight. Pokes out slightly further than the other muffler, and then the cover, side cover fits on there, no worries. This is just bolted on, no tuning at all, the same jetting and everything as before. So that's all fitted up. Still need to do the tuning. Probably won't need much of a change from what it was before, but it feels pretty close. But I need to ride it to be sure. Haven't ridden it yet. The clearance between the clutch adjuster and the header pipe is a couple of mil, so it's not too bad. This one on this side is only a mil or so between that spring, and you probably can't see it, but it's pretty close on that side, a couple of mil. So yeah, otherwise it's pretty good. No issues here. Definitely longer muffler. It sort of points up a little bit higher as well, rather than pointing down. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Much deeper, throatier exhaust note as opposed to the louder, high-pitched noise of the original muffler.